Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how to become a Twitch partner. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to become Twitch partner, you have to follow some certain criteria that is required. In order to know the criteria, you just simply open the Twitch application and go to help section and then search for partner program, and then it will show this Twitch partner program overview. Just simply tap into that page and it will lead you to this section of help page. Now you will get to see all of the details about Twitch partner program. The first one is monetization features that you will get. It also mentions the special features that you will get. Then if you scroll all the way down, you will get this section which says who qualifies. In order to become Twitch partner, you have to follow some certain criteria which is mentioned into this page. You have to meet the minimum requirements of 75 average viewers per 30-day period. And then you have to broadcast content that conforms all of the community guidelines, terms and service and DMCA guidelines of Twitch. Then there is the last criteria which says there are certain circumstances where we may accept applications outside these criteria, which may content growth or an established audience on other platform. If you already have other platforms which is already grown like YouTube, Facebook and other streaming platforms, you can apply for partner program easily. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.